What's up guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome back to my channel. And finally the day has arrived. I am now going home to the Philippines, so let's go in 3, 2, 1. What's up guys, so I'm now here at the Hartsfield Jackson Atlanta airport, and I'm just waiting for my flight to Korea. And earlier today I went out the airport and I went to a quick tour at Midtown Atlanta. I just visited the headquarters of my day job, and yeah, it was a big building, but I haven't, went inside because it's closed. And it's 4th of July, so it's a holiday and nobody's there except for security. So it was just quick, and I went back here at the airport and ate my dinner. Yeah, I almost forgot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell and share peace and love. Let's go. What's up guys, so I'm now here at Incheon, Korea, and it's way too early. Actually, we arrived at I guess that was 3 in the morning, and now it's 7, and I just signed up for a free transit tour. So since I have the whole day to stay here at Korea, and my camera is so, I think, no, yeah. So we have the whole day here at Korea, so I reserved 2 free transit tours. That's gonna be amazing, and let's see, and let's go. I'm so excited. Come on. Guys, so we're here at our first destination, Paradise City. It's amazing. Wow. So I'm not just gonna talk. Let the guy talk. And I'm just gonna show you around this beautiful hotel and casino. Let's go.
In the Paradise City Hotel, and we call it a giant pumpkin. And this one made by one of the Japanese artists, Kusama Yayoi.
There goes a sight, now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Okay, sorry I had to cut off earlier because we went to the casino, and it's not allowed to record or take pictures or videos inside the casino. So what I did there is nothing. Sucks, right? I would love to find coffee because I'm a bit sleepy right now. Laban lang tayo mga bes. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share peace and love. 감사합니다. What's up guys? So we are now finally waiting for the bus, or I don't know, shuttle or whatever. What's up guys, so we're now finally here at our first destination. So it's stopped.
Where's it going?
It's stopped. Sorry. So we're here at the Chung. I don't know how to say it.
What was it?
It's there. It's there. I just put it here.
It's called Gyeongbokgung in Chinese.
Oh, okay.
Not even Chinese though.
Oh yeah. So by the way, yeah, I met a friend here.
It's my first time to be on YouTube.
Hello to YouTube, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yep. So let's go guys, and I want to share to you what's in here. So let's go. Follow me. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 와카리마센. Ambot, like and subscribe, share peace and love. Hey guys, so dako kayo ang palace, and then I'm all alone all by myself, and I am lost. It's almost call time, and I need to get back to the parking lot. And I don't want to be left behind, and I don't know where to go because I'm basically lost. So, come on! Back in the bus. Late call. One last. Anyway, so we're heading for lunch now. Zoom kaya ko na ako. I hate it. Haggard ka rin ko. I'm so haggard already. But yeah, we're heading for lunch. It's 12 now. So after lunch is, I don't know where now. And our amazing tour guide giving us a map. Sure na nga na ako yung map. So di na ako masaan. So part 2 of our tour, we are now here at Insadong Street, and we're heading for lunch, and we have an hour and a half to roam around and check out what's in here. So I hope to find something else I can buy. So yeah, come on. That's correct, Japanese?
Yeah, these are correct.
These are correct.
Yeah, the last time it was so jumbled.
For example. Yeah.
Oh, here?
Yep.
Here. So we're done eating our lunch, and it's time to roam around here at the... How do you call this? I forgot how do you call this place again? Insadong. Insadong.
Insadong.
Street.
Yeah, Insadong.
Insadong Street. Come on! Yeah!
We got beer and soju.
Beer and soju, okay. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Then, yeah, because I've seen some people doing like this. Yeah.
So you just mix it?
Try to.
Chug.
Can you do it? Kanpai. Yes. First. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good.
So we have to go.
Take like 30 minutes,
Yeah.
to get to.
So we have to go now.
We have to go.
We're late, so we have to run. Come on. This way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we go left.
Yes. Really? So we have to run because we're real late now. I'm feeling it. Come on. Yeah. Come on, guys. We had 2 soju and we had 2 beers. Mix it up together.
Already?
We made it.
Where did he go?
Now I'm thirsty. I am thirsty now. We finally made it.
Guys.
We're like 1 minute left. 1 minute.
Oh yeah, 1 minute left.
We're fine.
We're fine. We made it. You okay?
I'm thirsty now.
Now I'm thirsty. So let's go back.
We should go back and drink there.
Let's go back in the airport, guys.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
It was really fun.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
So guys, we still have time for a tour. So we're heading to our next and 3rd tour of the day. Libre guys, so what's up? 3rd transit tour of the day. Come on! What's up guys? So we're here on a 3rd transit tour of the day. 3rd free transit tour of the day. So we're here at the Trippers Club at Tripper Street.
The camera?
Vlog.
It's a YouTuber.
So it's called Trippers Club? Trippers, I mean,
This is
Street?
Tripper Street.
Tripper Street.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got a new tour guide here.
Yeah, we have a Tripper Street.
Also,
Yep. I gotta show you guys what's in here. Come on, let's go. And share, appreciate, love, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
Well, time's up. We have to go back. And we're back!
We're back.
We're back to the meeting place. It was fun.
That was fun, man. It was fun.
It was fun.
It was fun enough to explore Korea.
So we go to the next destination. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, we're
Alright
here
guys,
now.
so we're here now on our final destination.
Where are we?
I guess we're still at Korea.
Yeah, we're in Korea now.
Let's do a B-roll. That's it. That's our third transit
That's it.
today.
That's it.
That's it. So finally we're heading back to the airport.
It was fun though.
It was really fun, yeah. They told you it was the best part. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and hit that thumbs up and hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to share fish and 감사합니다. What's up guys, so finally touchdown Cebu. Cebu. And yeah, I arrived at the new terminal sa Cebu, which is the Bactan International Airport Terminal 2. And yeah, nara ko sa arrival ni Agi. So wala ako kita sa mga nindot na mga lugar, spot sa kuhan sa departure sa 3rd floor or 2nd floor. Ambot, basta ana siya. Basta that's it. That ends our vlog for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and 감사합니다. Wish and love.